Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to do a full makeup glam, full face of makeup products and just layer them on and just beautify and feel a little bit more over the top, a little bit more glam today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. I feel like playing with makeup today and doing a full face of makeup, full glam, none of this makeup, no makeup, clean girl, aesthetic, la 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 la. Let's go full glam and just have fun with makeup because I used to just love sitting and doing my makeup and just layering on all the products. So we're going to do that today, and I'm going to start off with my Tizo 3 Primer Sunscreen Tinted SPF of 40. So this is a facial primer, sheer tint, antioxidant C and E in it. Not that it is sunny today. It has been off and on thunderstorms for the past few days, but the sun will come out, which is so nice. So in between crazy thunderstorms, we'll get the sun to come out. We had like a psychotic squall the other day. I have never seen so much wind damage in my city before. Just like huge trees down everywhere. So crazy. And it lasted only for like a few minutes. Luckily, we were on the other side of town golfing and we like didn't even know what was happening. Like you saw some dark clouds, a little bit of thunder, lightning, a few raindrops, but by the time we had driven back to our side of town, it had passed and the damage was done, and it was like, what just happened here? All right, that feels nice and smooth and soft on the face, and the tackiness, not the tackiness, but the, I don't know, there's just a feeling to it that just really adheres the makeup to this. For my foundation today, I'm going to use my Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint, Always On Radiant Skin Tint. Now this is, of all my skin tints, it has coverage. Like it feels more like a foundation. I have this in the shade medium too, and I'm matching my Bounce Skin Tint. So we're going to use this today for a foundation. But yeah, like I said, this has coverage. This doesn't feel like a skin tint. It feels more like a foundation, but like it feels nice and soft on the skin. Doesn't feel overly makeup-y, but you will get some coverage, and it blends out so beautifully. But definitely gives you the coverage you want from a foundation while still feeling like a skin tint. I might add a little bit more just to build it up a bit, create a little bit more of a medium finish on the skin. Just going over my spots. And it says to blend it out with a damp sponge, but a brush works just as nicely with this foundation. You can see it's covering up my spots nicely. Go in with my e.l.f. Putty Correcting Eye Brightener. I have this in the shade Light Medium, and we're just going to apply this first just to color correct that inner corner of the eye where I have a lot of discoloration and darkness. And this is like the smoothest feeling product. It feels so nice and light on the skin and smooth, and it doesn't settle into lines, and it just looks so beautiful. I would say it's one of e.l.f.'s best products. Not their eyebrow pen, I'm going to go in with my Rare Beauty liquid contour in the shade Gentle, and we are going to carve out our cheekbones. So I'm just going to go right under the cheek, and then I'm going to come down a bit like this on an angle. Again, right under the cheek, down like this. Give us some nice cheekbones up on the forehead. You can go above the lip. Just square off the tip of my nose. And then, oh, on my neck too. Add a little bit more color there. I'm going to use this small little buffing brush, multitasker complexion brush from Sephora, just for a little bit more precision. Just gonna buff that forward. Really smooths out, not smooths out, but brings nice shape to the cheeks and the jaw. Because I have a lack of one. I'm going to go in with my Merit Beauty Minimalist Perfecting, can't see that, complexion stick, sorry. And I have it in the shade Ecru, and I'm going to go in where I put the brightening from the e.l.f. Go a little bit on my nose, kind of follow where I put that contour. Just brighten up this area of the cheek. Blend it out with my Hourglass brush. It's got a nice point to it, so you can get in and be more precise. I want a little bit more brightness on the outer part of the eye and a little bit of lift, so I'm just going to go in again with that perfecting stick. We'll place a little on my brow there. I'm going to take some of my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in Glow, and I am going to just use a Real Techniques fluffy brush and just pop that more on the cheek area rather than right underneath the eye. Put a little bit of that on the brightness right here. It's gonna be simple with the eyeshadow, but putting on the eyeliner, it'll glam up the look. So I'm just going in with M7 from the Makeup by Mario Neutrals palette, and I'm just going to apply that up on my brow bone, into my crease, and just fluff it out. Keep my lid nice and bright. Go underneath the eye. I'm going to go in with my Merit Cream Bronzing Balm in the shade Cien. I'm going to pop that up on the cheekbones. And that's going to set nicely just because I put a little bit of that setting powder up on my cheekbones as well. And you'll get that glow coming through from the Laura Mercier. Put a little bit on my neck. I'm going to take a squared off brush and Cheeky from Merit Beauty, one of their Flush Balms. This is a nice pinky tone, and just go right into that, and then just kind of go on a diagonal up on the outer part of the cheek. So we got the bronzer going across like that, but now we're doing the blush on a diagonal upward motion along the back part of the cheekbone. You can see I'm going up and then kind of like outwards like that. So we have contour, blush, and then bronzer kind of more on the apple of the cheek. We're gonna go in with liquid eyeliner now, and I'm going to do my darndest to get this to be a nice kind of winged liner. It's always such a pain. I think that's why I don't do liquid eyeliner so much, is because it's so hard to get it even. I'm just using this one from L'Oreal. What is it? Carbon Black. And I've been using this one since I was in high school. So I'm following along the lash line on the inner part. And then it's going to get thicker as we get to the outer corner. And once I get to the outer corner, I'm just gonna go right up. And I'm gonna clean that little area with a Q-tip. What a pain. So I just went in with a little bit of black eyeshadow and just kind of smoked out the wing a little bit. That'll just keep it from looking messy, and once we get our mascara on, it's just gonna kind of blend through. It won't be so dramatic. A little bit of my Hourglass setting powder, and this one I will go in and set more underneath the eyes and the inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit of my Fenty bronzer and just fluff a little bit up onto the nose and the apples of the cheeks. Just set the other products, the other cream bronzing products. I'm going to go in with my Halo Beauty Wand highlighter, my liquid one in the shade Champagne, and just use my finger to place some highlighter just above the blush. Gonna go in and tightline with a black pencil eyeliner from Sephora. I put my mascara on, so it just kind of helps blend that wing into the lash line. And now I'm going to actually just go in and intensify the blush a little bit. I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed Love Me blush and just a fan brush, because we want to follow that diagonal. And that'll just give a little bit more glow and intensity to the line my lips with my MAC Oak lip liner. I also use my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe on before that, just to add a little bit of that contour. Now I'm going to go in the Essence Slim Stick 6 Hour Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Over the Nude. Over top of that, I'm going to go in with my Merit Lip Slick Oil in the shade, actually, sorry, this is the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Bel Air. This is the final look, the final full face glam look. It's fun to just get all glammed up, especially on a dreary, rainy day, just to play with makeup. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.